Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Google Chrome on ASUS VIVOBOOK. And to do this we'll need to open any browser, and if you just firstly set up your device, the ASUS VIVOBOOK, then you'll have Microsoft Edge, and that's the browser we want to open. Now sorry for that. Now we want to go for any web page and start typing Google Chrome. Now sadly the installation process will be in English, but it's quite simple, as you just need to open first website but make sure that it's actual Google, and download Google Chrome with this button right here. Now you will see the installation app in the downloads by clicking on the downloads button. You can also find it by clicking on three dots and the downloads right here. Open Chrome setup and proceed with instructions if there's any, because the installation is straightforward. It will just download the Chrome and instantly open it afterwards. Okay, so we have our Chrome installed. Now next thing we want to do is to log into our Google services. You can do that by clicking on this profile and enable synchronization. Next thing is to set Google Chrome as a default browser, and you can do it by going through the Start, Settings, Apps, Default Apps, then scroll down for the browser, web browser right here, and change your default one to Google Chrome and switch anyway. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.